Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Jaz Yusuf from Masas National School, Senior Boys Campus, Rawali Kent, Gujranwala. This is biology lecture for 9 Super 1 and 9 Super 2B. This is lecture number 9, Biology. Chapter number 5, and the name of chapter is Cell Cycle. My today's lecture is based on page number 93 of your textbook, and that is errors in mitosis. Errors in mitosis. Errors in the control of mitosis may cause cancer. All cells have genes that control the timing and number of mitosis. Major cause of errors in mitosis is mutation. What is mutation? A mutation is a change in an organism's DNA. And what are its effects? Silent mutations are changes that do not result in a change to the organism's phenotype. Mutations that occur in germ cells, that is sperm or eggs, are passed on to offspring. And mutation in somatic, mean body cells, may be harmless or may result in disease such as cancer. Here is a nucleotide of DNA for you before. Oh, it is completely normal DNA. All bonds are properly bounded, all strands are properly attached, but after any incoming ultraviolet photon, here is disruption in this bond. Now, tumors. How are tumors formed? Sometimes mutation occurs in genes and cells continue to divide. This continued uncontrolled division of cells results in the growth of abnormal cells called tumor. Sometimes mutation occurs in genes and cells continue to divide, and this uncontrolled division of cells leads in the growth of abnormal cells, and those abnormal cells are called tumors. Now, benign tumors. As long as the tumors remain in their original location, they are called benign tumors. And cells are not cancerous and won't spread. This is characteristic of benign tumors. In the cell you are watching, this red portion is indicating that it is benign tumor. It is located in a place. Now, malignant cancerous tumors. If the benign tumors invade or enter other tissues, they are called malignant cancerous tumors, and their cells are called cancer cells. Cells are cancerous and can spread out to other tissues and organs. In this picture, you are watching that the cancerous cells are now going to spread out or going to invade other tissues. Metastasis, spreading of disease in the body. The spread of cancer cells from place where they first formed to another part of the body. In metastasis, cancer cells break away from the original or primary tumor, travel through the blood or lymph system, and form a new tumor in other organs or tissues of the body. Metastasis definition: the spread of a tumor within the body. Metastatic cells factors less adhesive, can penetrate numerous barriers, mean hurdles, can invade, enter normal tissues. In this picture, you are watching the process of metastasis, that how metastasis or spreading of the cancer cells in all body is occurring through blood or lymph system. Dear student, here is an assignment for you. What is mutation? What do you mean by tumor? What is benign tumor? What do you mean by malignancy? What is metastasis? Please note down, send me your assignments on my WhatsApp number. It has been written here for you. Okay, dear students, see you next lecture. Stay home, stay safe.